In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with GCash. Whether you're paying a friend or moving funds to a bank, I'll walk you through both options clearly so you can send money with confidence. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your balance is enough for the amount you plan to send. You'll see your available balance right on the home screen, which is helpful before you proceed. Let's start with sending directly to another GCash wallet. From the home screen, tap Send. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's mobile number. Type it carefully and double-check every digit to avoid sending money to the wrong person. If the app displays the recipient's name after you enter the number, make sure it matches who you intend to pay. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on the decimal point so you don't accidentally send more or less than planned. Once everything looks correct, tap Send to complete the transfer. GCash to GCash transfers are typically quick, so the recipient should receive the funds shortly. If your app shows a reference number or receipt, consider saving it for your records. Now, let's look at sending money to a bank using GCash. From the home screen, tap Transfer. You'll see a list of banks you can send to. Choose the bank you want. On the next screen, enter the amount, the account name, and the account number exactly as they appear on the bank account. Accuracy matters here. Names and numbers must match the bank's records to avoid delays. If you're sending to this bank for the first time, take a moment to review every field before proceeding. When everything checks out, tap Send to complete the transfer. Depending on the bank, transfers may post quickly, but some can take longer, so keep that in mind. If you're shown a confirmation screen or a reference code, it's a good idea to keep a screenshot as proof of the transaction. To recap, you have two straightforward ways to move your money with GCash. Send directly to another GCash number through the Send button, or transfer to a bank by selecting Transfer and choosing the bank from the list. In both cases, the most important things are to verify the recipient details, confirm the amount, and make sure your balance covers the transaction. That's it. Simple, secure, and convenient.